Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic on tree diagrams question number 10 with me, Mr. Barton. Now I like this question, it's a bit weird but it's a good one. In a group of 15 people there are 5 men and 10 women. One of the men and 3 of the women are wearing red jumpers. One of the men, 3 of the women. One man is selected at random from the group, so they pick a man at random. Then they pick a woman from the group. Is the probability that the people selected are both wearing red jumpers greater or less than 5%? Right, now I'm not going to use a tree diagram for this one, so I think it's simpler to think about it logically. Let's take the man. They pick a man from the group, and we know one of the men is wearing a red jumper. So there are 5 men to choose from, so we know they choose a man, and one of them is wearing a red jumper. So the probability that the man is wearing a red jumper is 1 out of 5. Easy enough so far. What about the women? Well, next they pick a woman. But it's not going to impact the amount of women. There are still 10 women that they're going to be choosing from. And 3 of the women are wearing red jumpers. So we've now got the probability of a man, the man being picked wearing a red jumper is 1 over 5, 1/5. Probability of the woman being picked having a red jumper is 3/10. What's the probability that they are both wearing red jumpers? Now, just like in tree diagrams, if you want the probability of something happening and something else happening, and they're independent from each other like this, you're going to multiply them together. So the probability of them both is going to be 1/5 times by 3/10. Which, if you know your rules for multiplying fractions, multiply your denominators, multiply numerators, multiply denominators. 1 times 3 is 3, 5 times 10 is 50. But is that greater or less than 5%? Well, I'm going to change that into over 100. 3 out of 50, 50 times 2 is 100, so 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 out of 50 is the same as 6 out of 100, which is 6%. And the question says, is the probability greater or less than 5%? Well, I'm going to say probability equals 6%, so greater than 5%. So a slightly odd question there, but I had quite a good time doing that one. Hope you did too.